What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday night. It's not Monday because I had a family member birthday to go to, so I took my normal stream day off. But I'm here now to pick up where we left off from Friday and finish off this localization work. If we get that done, then the only thing after that to do with localization is get somebody to localize it, and then just enter that stuff in, and we should be good on that front. Anyway, let's jump on in. So the only thing we got to do tonight is actually localize the numbers in the game, and that should be an automated process. In fact, I just got to look it up, but it should be fairly simple to implement. Then we may look at the polyglot, or not the polyglot, but alternates to the polyglot to see if we can fill in any of the missing translations that we don't have, to save us some money when we go to actually get this translated. Let's see. Here's me. Yeah, so let me look it up. Okay. Unity localization. Numbers. Smart strings. I know it's just, I'm trying to look it up. Jump over here to the game itself. Oh, hey, you doing, Miss Cuba Limit? Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen. Gotta go back to Ireland. You got back from Ireland? I get married now. Nice. All right. So y'all went to Ireland for the marriage, or your aunt's in Ireland? That's a cool trip, though. I'm good, man. I'm just trying to finish this localization tonight, or at least get it to a point where I don't need to do it every night. They went to Ireland for the marriage. That sounds pretty cool, man. Her husband is Irish? Okay, gotcha. Makes sense. I heard it really is beautiful out there. I would love to see it one day. We'll see. I do want to travel, man. Let's see. Localized numbers, especially this one. It's already supported. If you look in the locale, you can preview formatting. Localization settings, let's see. And see, now this stream, I have sound in both ears, where last stream I didn't. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's just not right. It's whatever. I know I saw an example of this now, but now I can't find it. Use custom formatter. With smart strings. Collect my strings. So your game is me going around collecting little strings in your horror game. Slender Man, you gotta have better things to collect, man. I'm just saying, like, okay, Freddy chases you in your nightmares. Jason chases you, he's like a super zombie. You make people collect things so you don't kill them. Prototyping a game where you are blind. How are you doing that? I've seen games where, like, you can't see anything unless it's covered. It's 5 years an animal, so it's not just pitch black. Of course. Okay. Because I've seen games where, like, there's no definition to the world, and then you have to do things to, like, add the definition. Like, you have to spray something to visually see the outlines of it. I've seen stuff like that. All right, man. You have a good dinner. Okay, what if it's not called? Where unique number systems happening. Okay, here we go. You can create a custom formatter by inheriting from. Okay, that's what I want. I think I see it. I think I get it. Smart. I'm still trying to understand though. How do you tell it which locale to choose? Oh, it probably just takes the default. Location settings, string database. Okay, let's clear this out. All right, so. Okay, smart formatter. Get source extension. All right, let's make this somewhere else. Let's not mess this up. All right. Set something up here. Database, smart formatter. And get source extension. Mobile variable source. That's depreciated. Okay, what's the replacement? Please use persistent variable source. You persist. Hmm? Oh, actually, it should be going here. All right. That. So actually find a number to convert, see if it works. Right here. Take instruction text. Set the timers. There's the point total. I need to get it right for it's displayed. That's my dog. When are you getting displayed? Oh, right here. I still don't understand. Example. Still not understand how this works. Still not understand. Yeah, I know Nick searching Interactive told me to just use Roman numerals. I could. Well, the Japanese have their own numeral system. It also find these Western numerals. For example, if you want to localize the scoreboards you have, then it would look something like this. So look at this example off stream here. Off screen. Used by this. I know I'm not still not fully understanding. So smart. We're at 1185, so let's go back to. Well, actually, let's check this out real quick. But I could just leave the Western numerals in there, or go Roman numerals. We don't want to. But that will be the last ditch effort tonight. If I can't get anything done, we'll just figure out a way to make it happen. I really do want to convert those numbers. I'm back looking at this originally. So, okay, for unique number systems like Japanese or Roman numerals, you can create a custom formatter by inheriting from formatter base. I feel like I got a little code coming on too or something. I probably will not be on so long tonight. I just want to get this thing done, maybe check those alternates to the polyglot, see if we got anything we could stick in there and be done for tonight. Excuse me, I'm sniffing the mic. Just reading all this stuff here. Didn't mean to bump my mic there. How was it while I was gone? It was peaceful and quiet. Can you hear me okay? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, so I'm just really into reading the stuff about trying to convert numbers. All right, let me just straight up look it up. I am peaceful and quiet. I doubt both those things, to be quite honest. Plus, I've been stuck laying in here. You've proven yourself. You've proven yourself. Now I'm going to. I have caused zero anything to happen. Yes. Now I'm going to put you in the back because I got a big backyard and there's a forest back there, and I'm gonna stick you back there as a scarecrow because sometimes we have like coyotes that come up. We've even had deer to come up. I just want to keep them out of the yard. Okay, here we go. If a standard localization does not make it handle Chinese large numbers, what does that mean? If a standard localization does not automatically handle, you can create a custom formatter. How is the standard localization handling it? I don't understand that. The numbers don't automatically change because the localization changes. Forget to put in the comma or semicolon. Oh, I actually have to get that out of there. The standard localization does not automatically handle Chinese large numbers. You have to create a custom formatter. I suppose I'm going to be changing my profile pic again soon anyway. Why? Why do you keep changing it? Oh, dude. Within it, I don't even know if I need this. Smart format. Implement logic to divide numbers by. Okay, that's if your number. Okay, that's not helping me. The other profile pic was blatantly, I'm a furry, and this one is just on a whim, and now I'm unsatisfied. I see. Implementing number. Okay, implementing. Okay, I missed it. Implementing number formatting. Instead of just translating text, you need to format numbers dynamically. Create a key. In the table entries, create a smart string. All right, let's give it a shot. Let's take this out. All right, let's go ahead and create us a smart string. Also, why are you big man and the bot is little man guy? Why does he get a second masculine descriptor? You don't, because I tried to make him little guy bot and it was already taken. So I actually tried to follow. I actually tried to make it the opposite of me, and Twitch didn't have the name. Well, now you have to be big man, big man guy to match. Nah. I'm still debating on changing the name. I just don't know what to change. I just don't know if I want to right now. Do I want to completely go Revcom? But then do I want to actually give up this and go and start streaming as Revcom? Then I have to start all over? Or do I want to take the name from Revcom, put it over here? I don't know. I kind of want this stream to be separate from the from Revcom, but also don't want to do two separate streams. Like I don't want to just be streaming as Big Man and then as Revcom as well. But it is, I don't know. Still figuring out. I don't have time anyway to deal with that stuff right now. Okay, let me make a smart string. Create a new table. Create a key. Oh, why don't I just bring this up here? That there, yep, okay. You know what? You can choose, but do what you want, the furry pick, the trippy pick, or the drawn pick. I don't know if I've seen those. I know I've seen the furry pick. I don't know about the trippy or the drawn pick. The drawn pick is what, the robot? Okay. Let's do like point score or something like that. Like fully. Oh, what would I pick? I mean, it's your profile pic, man. I don't know. Because you're going to change it anyway the moment you don't like it. Go with the draw. Okay. I would change it the moment I like you. Right? Let's see if this works. New string table. No unit requires a custom. Huh. Add this format to the smart localization settings. And I guess I have to run that through. Well, let's go to utilities of the points where the conversion setup is. So I probably have to run it through that. So this is get translation. What does it mean I have to? Wait a minute. Oh, on a scale of 1 to pinecone, how do you enjoy my being on stream? So what is the amount of pinecone? I mean, I'll say I appreciate you hanging out, man. What does a pine cone amount to? One pine cone. So wait a minute, it's 1 to 1, so it's just the same? Okay, how do we use smart strings? Let me look that up. One to pine cone. What is a pine cone? Like, what is the value of a pine cone? Or a modified version of smart format. See, I know what is the numerical value of pine cone. And yeah, I know I'm being trolled so hard right now, but still. All right, let's get this up. Smart. You gotta set up in here. You gotta set smart strings in here. Say like 27.3. That's an arbitrary number. Pine cones are very valuable. How? What universe is a pine cone valuable? Because I'm going to grab a bunch of them and go to that universe and make a meal. We use format string when arguments are passed. Okay. So now let's go. How much do you enjoy my being on stream? 2. A 2. You are tolerable. I have to say, there we go, smart format. We cannot be on pinecone terms if Okay, I feel like I'm stumbling into something here. Time formatters. Conditional formatters. What is an X element formatter? Okay, smart format. Should be the string localization event, right? Oh, wait a minute. No, it's the string localization event that's under. Okay. But no, I don't need it there. So how long making a meal off of pine cones? Oh, do the math on that one. If you're doing 30, what's 30? What's a meal divided by 30? You have to take 33,000. Over 33,000. Essentially deforest a whole a pine cone forest. But you can use string format. You had a VIP ticket and everything. Oh, no, I said you can't come to the reverse so you can make a meal. That's the way, ain't it? You could have had a meal, but you couldn't chill. Okay, smart strings consist of literal text and I was known as placeholders. Placeholders are some of the blocks similar to okay. What is a localized string? Hold on. Biggie, my iCloud isn't loading the image I sent to my computer, and on the image I sent to my computer, and now I can't update my profile pic. Please fix, or maybe can you come to? You said I couldn't come, man. You banned me. Can't help you now. Let's see. He's here. Localized string. What's no. Oh, localized string? You have to have Unity engine localization. Do I have that? I have okay, settings. You instantiate it? If you just do this, I'll give you a hard. I give it a hard considering. Oh, sorry. You know I broke my glasses. Well, I didn't break them. They broke, right? I was cleaning them and they broke. So I'm wearing my old glasses and it's hard to see things with these old glasses. I'll think about it, man. I will think about helping you out. I mean, they just broke. They were like a couple years old. think I got them around COVID, so like they were years old, and like I was just, I don't know, I think I was cleaning it, and then just like one of the what do you call it? One of the arms snapped, and then the rest of them just fell apart after that. Like it was that old. You need glasses too? Yeah. I got an appointment to get my ass checked later on this week so I can get some new ones. Where I wear like my old glasses and I can't, it's hard for me to focus with them. Just arguments. Okay. So that's be an object array. My eyes suck booty. That's why you be picking them profile pics. That's your eyes mess up. Okay, so I guess that will. Arguments will be passed to a smart format. These arguments are not serialized. May be set runtime. Excuse me. I actually need to go blow my nose. Yeah, but you said you're made of nanite, so you're just a bunch of small robots anyway. It's like those like dogs in a trench coat that just stand on top of each other. That's all that is. Somebody got small robot energy. You brought it up. Yeah, it's approved. Let's see. Something like. Oops. Void, not actually stringed. Oh. Convert. Or translate number. Um, been making Geometry Wars, Geometry Dash videos, and people have been loving it. So probably, yeah, I actually been meaning to check them out because I actually saw them. Because your stuff pops up in my feed now on YouTube. Points total. It's total. I did. I may have looked at it. I know it's like I put in my like brain to actually like check out next time I was on YouTube, or like the next time they popped up. Okay, where is? Public static. Oh, I put in private, of course. I actually have to change the locale, but let's actually see if it messes with anything. Not fixed yet. I want to tell you, man, Apple. That's why I don't. That's why I don't use Apple, man. At least with something like with um, with Windows, I can at least have that option to try to fix it instead of depending on Apple for stuff. Nope, it didn't translate anything. Or was that was that where that translation was going to? Oh. That's the stats. Okay, that's the stats box. Oh, we didn't like that. Empty table reference. Or I could get the culture info. So let's try it. So didn't we do that again? Never mind, it's been a while since I used it on laptops, so it's timed out and stopped syncing. Ah, all right. Okay, we only need the settings, but we need globalization. Oh, it's system globalization. Temperature. Info. Okay, I gotta sneeze. All right, here we go. Localization settings. Select locale, identifier, culture info. All right. Back down here. New string. String format. What does that mean? Okay, well, let's see if this works. Why'd you say bless you? Thank you. Say status menu. I definitely don't like it's doing anything. Oh, wait a minute. We're still English. Okay, I gotta actually flip it. Okay. Let's change the locale. Oh, wait a minute. I can just change locale in the editor. No, still don't like it's done anything. Huh. Let me see if that happen. Let me see if these warnings happen if I have it. Well. Because I thought all those flip. Yeah, it should be flipping to that other font. Huh. Let me try it again. That's super weird. Why those change? I wonder if you have to have it. I guess you have to have it set before everything loads. Let's change the locale before everything's loaded, just to be sure here. Yeah, what was it? Oh, gotta sneeze again. Thank you. Oh, can only see part of his body. Need to turn the camera a bit more. It's updated pro pic about 7 seconds ago. All right. I wonder if you let me get close without getting up. Let me see if he'll let me adjust the camera without getting up. Stay. think that's the best I can get it. All right. Also, mute the blow my nose. So, seeing the example of using the get localized string, I still don't understand why my version didn't work. All right, let's go back. Well, actually, let's actually do what I was going to say we want to do here and set the active locale. Okay, how do I forgot how to do it. Oh. Yeah, select the locale. Okay, this was. Like available locale. Like 0 whatever. Locales. That's what it was. Okay, so all those warnings should go away. Okay, yeah, so everything's fixed. Let's check. I can't even see the number. Yeah, it didn't change anything. All right, so that doesn't work. One second, I'll put on my hoodie. All right, there we go. Okay, let's check. Let's look at what a smart value is actually. Go to one of the values we've updated, or one of the text boxes we've updated. It's static text. So I could make this smart and put a number variable in there. I guess it would automatically convert the number. I just don't want it to. I guess if I put a number there, it would auto translate. Well, doesn't seem to do it. Unless I'm missing something. I mean, so it looks like with the smart ones, you have to actually supply the other value. So I'd have to supply the number value, which I don't want to do. I want to auto translate. What's up, multi-wizard and ew? How you doing tonight, man? Smart strings use the locale for the table they belong to. When applying localized formatting such as currencies, number formatting, and date. Hmm. The formats aren't what I want, though. I'm starting to figure. I'm starting to lean towards what searching was saying, and just go ahead and just use Roman numerals. Yeah, I'm starting to heavily lean to Roman numerals at this point. But Roman numerals for points seems really silly. It's all right for levels. looking at a couple articles now. But I feel like I used current culture already. Let's try it again. David, what's up, man? I was just stopping by. I'll be back soon. I'm in a voice call. All right, man. You take it easy. All right, I'll see you later. Okay, let's try this again. Let's also make sure that that is what we think it is. String format. We'll try that next. It was Dave. It doesn't like it to change anything. Yeah, didn't change anything. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I meant to check. Yeah, it's the right. Yeah, so that's right. My favorite level is no trans. Oops. String format. Local. So, localizable. String. No, where is that from? Localizable string. Where'd that come from? Oh, he made it. Replacement the entire. Oh, he made that. Okay, but what is it actually using? Very innovative, huh? All right, hold on. String format. Format from fucking. Well, this is current culture, right? And the string format. Oh, I need it as a string. I doubt this is going to work. We'll see. Nope, that's not working at all. Dude, I found all these code ways you could do it. Similar to what I was going to do, but I just didn't want to. I thought there's a way you could just do it. I gotta pull in those again. All right. Oh yeah, yeah. It's about time for him to go to bed. Yeah. In fact, I'll go ahead and take that off. Plus, I kind of wish there was a way I could adjust it. At least he's getting good rest. Yeah, yeah. So there is no way to translate numbers. I might just leave the numbers as they are then. It's going to be too much work. So either I have to write something, or I have to go get a plugin or something. I might look at it real quick. Let me look and see if you guys got plugins for it. See if I got a cough. If you tell me if I need like Moana the character to help me out, I'll take that help. I can't go to sleep for a while, so my body will readjust to time instead of Irish time. Wow, I'm super tired. Yeah, like when I go, when I've traveled west, I actually like it because my body's still on East time, so I always get up like a couple hours earlier than I normally would. You're in that one state I never remember. I never trust. I'm in that one. Well, you need? Yeah, I'm in North Carolina. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Definitely not Kentucky. What do you got against Kentucky? I've never really been there, but what was geography in this? Okay. Thought we were Kentucky. No, I'm not a Kentucky. Yeah, I'm a North Carolinian. Meanwhile, I'm up in Washington, far northern than you, but I'm not in North Washington. Huh. Yeah, everything I'm seeing on the Unity store is just translating the game, translating your text. Localization allows you to find. Yeah, it translates in your editor, not live. But we're figuring things out. I'm thinking this is gonna be a wash, and I don't think it's a big deal. I think you can have. I mean, you could probably just have like, what is it? What do we call our number system? Arabic number. In most countries, they probably understand it. Or I could convert it to Roman numerals, which I really don't feel like doing. Because I feel like it's just defeating the point. Wash, I enjoy baths, but only when they're the right temperature. Okay.
What the fuck?
Just had to throw that out there. One-step localization solution. How did I start it? Yeah, you're older than I am. That's how it works. All right, so we will undo what we've done here. Put this part on pause for right now because we're gonna do localization stuff anyway. Whenever we get stuff completely, we get all the text localized by a translator, and then put it in the game. Anytime I sense I may not win, I pull out your old card. Don't bother me, man. I earned my gray hairs. I feel bad for you young guys. Stuff's going, the planet's being destroyed and you guys are about to inherit it. Good luck with that. Well, yeah, I get gray hair. Mm-hmm. Would you like a strawberry? No, I'm good. I actually have grapes, so I may get off here and get some grapes. Which I may do after we check these. I'm gonna open the polyglot and I'm gonna check for alternates to some of these translations we have. And if I don't, whatever I find is what I find. If I don't find anything, that's just gonna be it. You haven't reacted to the last preview as far as I know. Haven't seen the new one. Yeah, no, shift the line, new one. Okay, we'll go check the new one. Give me a second. And if I hadn't checked out your those geometry dash stuff, I'll check that out too. Am I wrong? It looks like the same robot. Am I wrong? This is you. Oh, there it is. Okay, it hadn't updated yet. What is that? Looks like what's his name? Aku from Samurai Jack. Should be a pickup. Yeah, but I can't really tell what it is. Yeah, what's that supposed to be? Well, I'll wait for my answer. Go ahead and open up the polyglot like I was going to. That's not what I wanted. It's an insane amount of lore that I assume you not want to know right now. It's a godlike creature. That's all I would say. Okay. Gotcha. All right, let's check these out. Let me turn off the radio. I do have. Oh, do I have the? I don't have the desktop sound though, so I wouldn't have heard the TTSs. There we go. Okay. All right.
Straight to the.
Are they supposed to be playing? Am I missing? Is the video messed up?
Straight to the.
Or is that you just making the music? Maybe it was actual species. Okay, so that's me. That's the issue with me then. Okay.
Straight to the
There we go. Okay.
straight to
Nice. Okay.
straight to the
That's cool, man. Let's do the next one. Oh, wow. Nice, nice.
straight to the
Oh, I went the wrong way.
to the
All right, he's really going, huh?
to the
Nice, man. Very nice. I think, yeah, for some reason he wasn't playing, but that was very nice, man. I like those. Okay, let's check out the alternate polyglot here. Let's turn back on the music. See, Shiva tool. Oh, okay. Shiva tool doesn't exist anymore. All right. What are those alternatives? Similar projects. Common game translators. Nope, that's gone. Come on. It's the least satisfying. Let me check if they've got ones like points. You can't search it? Oh, okay, here we go. No? Okay. It doesn't have points. But it has stuff like insects. Oh, it's got different. Okay, I see. It's got different maps. Okay, I got it. Okay, greetings, map, monster, general. Oh, they got colors in here. Okay, social. This is pretty cool. Game. Uh-oh. Point. Okay, well, it has attack and defense point. Not what I really want. It has Cleon in here. Cleon. Oh, sorry. Okay. I spent a lot of time on that plane. Was so boring. Yeah. The food was amazing though. So should I give up the RP general info now, or would you prefer to wait around 3 business days? The what? Should I give you the RP general? What? The roleplay general info? You talking about that creature? Yeah, I kind of got that now, but yeah, okay, go ahead. Character, marketing, life. This is pretty comprehensive. I like it's better than the polyglots. Ain't that much. The polyglot game dev one. Polyglot, that's what I guess we missed that, right? That's that word. That's that guy, right? Oh. Yeah, it's the same one. Okay. All right. What's another one? All right, that was not found. I am once again really large. You can leave me outside this time, as I do actually prefer it. I don't eat a lot, and according to individual character lore, I do have an incurable disease. Oh my god! Don't tell me it's irritable bowel syndrome, man. I can't have you around pooping outside my house. This is like the same one as before. Yeah, I think it's the same one. It's not. Plus, I can't have you just falling dead outside my house either. What am I gonna do with that? Okay, so you're gonna be shedding all over my house. Translate for Steam, huh? I guess that's for CS:GO? Huh, interesting. Basically, I will just die a lot faster. Yeah, but before, you're just gonna be shedding your skin like you're decaying all over. You know, can't have that. Oh, that page doesn't exist anymore. All this stuff is gone. It's more internal. I mean, so you will be pooping your insides out then. All right. I think that's all I got right now. Like I said, we can't. Well, I'm gonna look up one more thing. But I'm about ready to get off of here. Take something. If there's no plugin for a number translation, I might actually build it and put it on the Unity asset store. It seems like that would get like a lot of money. Dude, I'm basically on the street for life. Why are you worried about that? I mean, I feel for your situation. I just want to make sure my house can be clean. Be like the dude, yeah, okay, I hear you, man. I hear you. It's really sad. It's really sad. Now, when you go, are you gonna stink up the place? You just drop dead in the middle of the floor, and I have to clean you up. Okay, I'm a cleanly creature. I promise. Okay. Oh, open the. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Well, oh, excuse me. All right, I gotta get off here. All right, I'm done for the night. Thank you, Missy Moons, for hanging out. Thank you for any of the lurkers that came through. I think you're going to exit the house tomorrow in the most unbearable. Oh my God, he died in the front yard. You take it easy, man. Yo, going out, you know what I say. Stay safe out there. Be creative, make some games, make some music, make some noise. I will see you. I might try to come back tomorrow because I know I won't be able to. I don't know if I will stream on Friday. So I'll be back doing something similar to this. I got to figure out what I got to do actually. Now that I'm done with localization, it's time to actually up those graphics. I may or may not enter the house in the middle of the night if it's too cold. I don't need you. I don't need to come downstairs and see like whatever. Anyway. Yeah, I'll take it easy out there. I will see you next time.